Yeah, welcome inside, and my name is Joe. This channel is called Richminded Skills. So inside I'm going to show you how to install the robot and how to see it like this one. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so as after the end of this video, in the end of this video, you'll be able to understand how to install the robot and how to use the robot. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, or like, share, and everything, and you are done with us. And thank you for being a family of this Rich-Minded Skills, and we are together with you forever and ever. Let me just show you how to install this. As the way, as you can see, maybe you have the indicators inside your PC like this one, and you have already opened. To this who don't know how to open, let's say for instance it is a zip like this one, you don't know how to open the zip like this one. So what you have to do, what you are supposed to do here is to unzip this one. To these who don't know how to unzip a RAR file like this one, it is just you right click, then you extract it. Even if it is here, you can extract it from here, or you can extract it from a file you selected to extract it. So because I've already extracted it here, so I can just leave it the way it is. So after I just join it, I will get a file like this one. As I open it like this one, I will get my indicator inside like the way you see it, and also I will just come inside, and also I will get the library. In the library I will get this one and what to read, and then in price action indicator, okay, it is just like that one, right? So what you have to do here is just to come in this indicator tab, in indicator file, this one, and then you copy these two things. You copy this price action and the license. You copy this, and you copy, and this one. You copy these two things like this one, then you copy, and then you come and open you check for your terminal for your broker, which is MT4. Then the first thing you have to go to some just this is a long process, but it is better you know this. You go to this one, metacode. After you go to metacode, this file here, you open this one. It will open like this. After it open like this, you will just come see here something like this here, indicators, right? You can come here and right click it and open folder. Open folder. After you open the folder, you will see everything here. You will come and paste this to other indicators here, paste. So because mine are inside already, that's why you can see replace or skip. Okay, I can just say replace, so they are inside there. Okay, and after that you just come and you just come again and minimize this. After you minimize, will remain this indicate with the file you opened, and then just do something like this one, and then you go back then to the library here. You come to the library, and then you also go back inside this one, and you go to library and copy these two things here, these files, and you copy them, and then you paste them here. So because I have already done this, that's why you can see replace, and I just replace, and they are inside too. After that, I will click off these two things. I will click all this, and then I will open my MetaTrader 4 Exness, and then I will come to search. I will just come to search for it. I just come to search for it. I come in search view. I view the navigator terminal. So after I come inside the navigator, and then what I just come to is just to come to indicator, this file called right-hand indicators. You refresh this one. After you refresh, you will find your indicator inside here. You will find your indicator inside here, and you will check the indicator. It will just get, you will get it right-hand Richminded indicator or price action indicator, and then you take it to the chart and you allow the DLL and you press OK. After you press OK, you will see everything inside the indicator, inside the chart. I would like to move the grid like this one, so as you can see it very clear. Turn it to indicate to the candlestick, and you will get it on this way, right? You get it on this way, yeah. So we get it on this way. You get like this one. It seems like looking like this one. So also this indicator, you can just use it at how it is, and you can just see for the manual traders, whether it is a beginner or experienced or expert, whatever, you can just use this indicator after. But every system, if you get the system, you have to test the system so as you can know how you can work on it. Very clear, very good, right? And this is it is just showing you the SL, stop loss, the entry point, and every point you can trade. As for the last one, it's just telling us to sell at this point, and also give us a take profit point and a stop loss point too. So because the trade started from here, then goes away, like the trade to sell from here, this point, and then it sells up to this point here, and then turned up again. So it is just like that one. The take profit is here, and also the SL is here. So this is how everything. So that's how to do installation and how to work on it.